By that time, I had started calling up each day 20 to 25 people and asking them a question, are you interested in Yiddish? Would you like to be put on a database? Would you like to be getting some information? And then I'd say, do you know anybody else? And so they have a friend in Los Angeles, they have a cousin in Florida, they have somebody in Germany or anywhere else. And when I had 1,000 of them, I started to put out a newsletter called Der Bay, and that was January of 1991. And it slowly built up so that I ended up having contacts, not just subscribers, contacts who people were willing, I called it the Yiddish Network, in 35 foreign countries and every state in the United States, okay? And that's how that started off. Then one day, there were some people visiting the Bay Area. At that time, there were 4 newsletters, club newsletters in North America. One in Toronto, one in Miami, one in Washington, D.C., and one in San Francisco, which I called my group because I had it over at the JCC. And the one in Florida, Iz and Sonny Landsman were here visiting. A son they have lives in Sunnyvale. And the daughters, and the people from Toronto, Bess and Barry Shockett, who were the editors of the newsletter from Toronto. So we were sitting around at this dining room table, this table here, and we were saying, wouldn't it be nice if all the clubs got together? Little did we know that at that same time, the Washington group was thinking of having a little conference of local clubs. So we called them up, and we said, well, let's make it bigger. And the first one was had at the University of Maryland. And we had some real top people. I'm trying to remember the fellow, Lichtenbaum from Argentina. He came up, and Glasser was there, and I don't remember all the rest of the people. So we had that. And then the following year, we had it in Toronto. And then the year after that, it was down in Miami. And then we started to go to different places, each time deciding never to have it in the same city twice. And so then we reached a point where, you know, I had it out here a couple of years ago, and that became the International Association of Yiddish Clubs and the newsletter. And then 2 years ago, well, it would be a little bit over now, maybe 3 years ago, instead of having a hard copy, I went strictly online.